Hello and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Today, some big news coming out of Elite Trader Funding. It's their 1 year anniversary, and boy, have they got some announcements. They have a great sale, massive sale, and they have a new account type. We're going to go over everything here in just a moment. For those of you who aren't aware, Elite Trader Funding, prop firm, one of my top 5. I've had accounts with them in the past. Nothing currently, but I'm probably going to pick something up on this sale. We'll go over that sale, like I said, here in a minute. Definitely a quality firm. Already been around a year. Great record on payouts. Very trader friendly. So let's take a look at that sale, shall we? So, massive 1 year anniversary sale. The details. Let's go through it. First of all, 65% off all accounts except for their fast tracks. Let's take a look back at their accounts real quick. Let's go to their evaluations. They actually have 4 different types of accounts. They have a one-step that is a intraday trailing drawdown. They have fast track evaluations. They have end-of-day drawdown evaluations, and they have static drawdown evaluations. And there's going to be a 5th type added here that we'll also go over here later in the video. So the 65% off is off everything besides the fast track. You can see the fast track is already pretty cheap. So those are not included in the 65% off, but they will be included in the next feature we're going to talk about here of the sale. Buy one, get one free. Up to 5 accounts. So what does that mean? Every account you see there, if you buy one, they're going to email you a coupon code to buy an exact same account. It's going to be free. It's only free for the first month, though. If you don't pass in that first month and you don't cancel, then you'll be charged at the 65% off rate for any subsequent months thereafter. But this is a great deal. So you're getting 2 evals for one price, and that price is going to be 65% off. Also, just for the week that this is running, resets are only $50. I think they're normally $75, so that's $25 off of those resets. And the 65% off is lifetime until you pass or cancel. It's not just the first month. So if you need a second month, to pass, you don't need to rush. You'll get the 65% off deal no matter, how many months it takes you. No reason to, quickly rush through it and end up blowing the account because you feel rushed. Take as much time as you need. This sale is going from now until February 17th at 11:59 Central Standard Time. You have to use the coupon code 1YEAR, and please use the link that's going to be in the video description below. That will help out the channel. So, now, also, new account type. Some people have been asking for this, especially after Top Step and, oops, what did I do? There we go, that's what I did. Anyway, after Top Step and Earn a Trade got rid of theirs in the last few months, Elite Trader Funding has announced a swing trader account. They call it Diamond Hands. Swing trader account, of course, means you can hold your trades overnight and over weekends. There's no need to close out your trade before 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time each day. Now, this is a big deal because, like I said, not many people offer this, or not many companies offer this, I should say. And so Elite is really taking the bull or the bear by the horns here. It will be a 100K account. They'll be using the end-of-day drawdown. Your max contracts will be either 2 minis or 20 micros. It'll have a $3,500 max drawdown, $1,500 daily loss limit, $5,000 profit target. Its normal price will be $365, which I know sounds steep, but you got to remember these accounts, when you're dealing with um, a swing trading, you have to think about margin. Uh, Maintenance margin is much bigger than day trading margin, and eventually, you can go live on an Elite Trader funding account. But also, the new swing trader account is included in the 65% off sale and the BOGO sale. So, quick math. I had this math done and I put it aside. 365 times 0.35. So that it comes out to $127. And then you get a second one. So technically you're getting this $365 account for just about $65-ish, 64, which I think is an absolute great deal. You should definitely, if you're into the whole idea of swing trading, holding account positions longer, over a couple days or a week, you think the market's going to crash. A lot of people right now thinking that we're way overextended. Maybe the market's going to go down a couple hundred points. ES is going to go down a couple hundred points over the next week or whatever, and you want to hold that. Pick up one of these swing trading accounts, and you can do that. No need to just micromanage like on a day trade where you're hoping it closes out in a few minutes and get a few points. Hold on to your trades and enjoy it. So let's take a quick look back here again at our accounts here. Did some quick math for you. Real quick math. 65% off. I'm not going to do every one of these, but for the 10K account, that's only $28. And then you're getting one free, so it's like paying $14 per account. It's 25K. Comes out to about $50. About $25 per account with the buy one get one free. The 50K comes out to about $58, or again $29. If you like bigger size accounts, this 250K account here, $180, or 90 when you split it in two. 300K, 230, about 115 if you split it in two. Your statics down here, 47.25 and 105 before the two. And the end of day are similar. I mean, the end of day you can see normal price is only about $5 more. So your 25K is going to be about, $53. The 50K would be about $60. So, great sale here to celebrate Elite Trader Funding's 1-year anniversary. They are a great company. Definitely Ox recommended. And great time to pick up some evaluations. You have, this might actually be better than Apex's sale, which is not something you hear every day. So that about wraps it up here. We, if you enjoyed this video, before the stumbling at the end there, I hope you hit that like button if this video helped you at all. And if you haven't subscribed, welcome to join the herd. Remember, we live stream every day, 7:30 a.m. Eastern to 11 Eastern. Join us on social media. Any of the ones there that you see, I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Reddit, of course, YouTube. But do stream updates. Gonna start doing daily P&L reports. We're reporting these prop firm deals as they come in, other industry news, all that fun stuff. So that wraps it up. Have a good one. We'll see you next time.